Hi, I'm going to show you some examples from long division. Hi, I'm going to show you how I got this answer. First, 3 times something equals 4. 3 times 1 equals 3 times 1 equals 3. Or 3 times something doesn't equal 4. So I do the closest, which is 3 times 1. And it equals 3, so you minus it, which equals 1. And how did I get this one? Because first, I took this. These are the 400. These are the 50s, and this is the tens. The units, people call it. This is the tens, and this is the hundreds. First, as what I did is I'm going to use this, and I'm going to drag one and put it inside here. I'm going to drag the other one and put it inside here. And I'm going to try and share it out between them. And I know because there's only one left. So we know that that's the remainder. 3, these are 3, and these are 3 boxes. And there was supposed to be 4. But 3 of these big boxes around these, 3 times something does not equal 4. So there's one remainder, right? So this is my leftover remainder. We know that this box is the remainder, and we're going to keep this box till, well, we'll see. Now, then we start off with the 5, these ones. Now, how did we get this 5 down? We brought this 5 down, and we minus it, and because 3 times something equals 15. So we know that. So how do we know that? So now that we're still on the 15 and we minus it, 3 times 5 equals 15. How did we get that? And it equals 0. How did we get this 0? Because first we use this one to make our digits double. Just like this. There. And now you can see that I added the ones in the slightly greenish color. I've added. And I've added it, and I've tried to use this one to make all of these. So I'm taking away this one to get all of these. Now that I took it away, all of these I used up for this 400. Because we don't want to use it, do we? So that's how we got this. Now, we start separating these into each boxes. There, I've separated it in all of these boxes. And how many is left? 0. Completely 0. So that's how we put the 0 there. We bring down the 2. How many 3's go into 2? Well, blankly, there's none. So we put the 0 there. We put the 0 here. And minus it. Right. Now, these are the 2's that were supposed to be here. Because we brought it down, didn't we? So we bring down that and we make a 2. And how many 3's go into 2? 0. How? Because if I use this one to go inside here and this one to go inside here, well, look, there's still a missing one over here. I need to make all of it divided into all of it. So it counts as 0. So I'm going to take these ones back out. There, and that's how I got the 0. I minused it, which is equal to, and a 0, because you bring down the 0 and you put a decimal there. And you put down the 0 there. And you minus it with 18, because 3 times 6 equals 18, because it's obviously the closest. So we minus it, and it equals 2. And obviously, we would have to start with the 20 again. So that's how it continues. We're going to have to put a line at the top of this 6. And your answer is 150.6. Thank you for listening. By Tamara.long. This is... Obviously, these two should be... the number should be in the middle, which is the 4. 4 was the number. So what I'm going to do is 3 times 1 equals 3. And 3 times 2 equals 6. Now, where does the 4 go? Does it go here? Does it go here, or does it go here? The 4 goes here. Actually, why? Because I thought to myself, well, 4 is not 3 times something does not equal 4. So the closest to 4 would be 1. As we go into the next page,